Welcome to David Alexander Maths Tuition. This is chapter 2G on the discriminant. Okay, so this is the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. So when you've got a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, so for example 6x squared plus 7x plus 5, then a is 6, b is 7, c is 5. Now when b squared take away 4ac is positive, in other words when it's greater than 0, we get two distinct real roots. Okay, so for this curve here, the discriminant is greater than 0 because we've got two x-intercepts. When the graph doesn't cut through the x-axis, there are no real roots, and therefore the value of the discriminant is negative. B squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So we just need to remember no solutions, no real roots, the discriminant is less than 0. And if the discriminant equals 0, then that means the x-axis is a tangent to the curve, meaning we get one repeated root. So just remember that when b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, two roots, less than 0, no roots, when it's 0, one repeated root. So calculate the value of the discriminant of the equation 3x squared plus 7x minus 1. So b squared minus 4ac is the value of the discriminant. So here a is 3, b is 7 and c is negative 1. That's going to be 7 squared, 49, minus 4 times 3 times negative 1. So that's going to be 49 minus 4 times 3 is 12, minus 12. So 49 plus 12, so 51. So what does that mean? Well, it's greater than 0. So what this means is that we are getting two roots here. There are two solutions. Find the range of values of k for which 5x squared plus 2x plus k equals 0 has no real solution. So this is a slightly harder question involving the discriminant. Whenever you see a question that talks about solutions, you might want to consider the discriminant. So if it has no real solutions, then b squared minus 4ac has to be less than 0. Okay, so here a is 5, b is 2, and c is k. So let's just substitute these in. So b squared is 2 squared, so that's 4. Take away 4 times by 5 times by k is less than 0. So 4 take away 20k is less than 0. Let's subtract 4 to both sides. So negative 20k is less than negative 4. I'm going to flip the signs, but remember if I'm flipping the signs, I need to flip the inequality as well. So if negative 20k is less than negative 4, then 20k is greater than positive 4. So therefore k must be greater than 4 over 20. So k must be greater than 2 over 10. K must be greater than 1/5. So that is the range of values of k. K is greater than 1/5.